How's it going, everyone? This stock right here is coming across my radar here. And I'll show you guys why I like it. And it's going to be based on the 6 daily candle roll. So right now we had this big massive candle. We would have never traded it as we never trade the first big candle, and it's not even touching this green band here. So anybody that got into it, I'm sorry, as this thing has just been plummeting. So, but as I'm looking at it, yes, it's got decent volume, which is nice. But what I really like is how we're hugging this band. Now, I can show you example after example after example of how why this hugs the band is a very good setup. And a lot of the trades we traded are, that made the biggest gains are when the daily candle hugs it. And how many candles do I like to see? I like to see at least 6 daily candles. One of our biggest wins was NAS. It hugged the daily candle, or this ATR4, which is this bottom band that's customized. I have all the settings if you guys want to join my Discord. The link's below. But as you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Around 6 daily candles. Something's magical about that number. It could be 7. It doesn't matter. But waiting 6 daily candles, and look at this massive pump that it has made. We ran up about a 686% move. But one of the things that you could conservatively make is that you're going to hit this EMA 5, and then you just trail stop it as this thing goes all the way up. And we've seen this even with the crappiest companies in the world, like Moan. And I hate this company. I can't stand it. But when I seen this 6 daily candle roll, it did respect it. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Something's weird about it, and then it did 143% move. So when I'm looking at UPC, I like this. Because first of all, you let these big red candles let the sellers win, and now, as you can see, we have smaller and smaller and smaller and consolidation coming here. And now we're just not going as down as much. So we have this big red candle. A lot of people like this. It got down 67%. A lot of people buy it, and then it goes down more, 15, and then it goes down more, 14, and then 10, then 4. So why do I like this stock? Because we are at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I can get one more daily candle under this band, that is extremely bullish. And even with bigger cap stocks, VTLE, look at this massive move it went up with a bigger cap stock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as you can see, this ran up 20% for a bigger cap stock. And I can even show, the one trade we played in the Discord was this one. Look at this magical pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what happened? Explosive move up. So the move happens. We know it. We know if you're patient and you give this time, this is going to be a really good setup. It's going to show it time and time and time again. The more I researched it, the more I did it. Even in the hardest stocks in the world, like GWAB, what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, we don't know how big the move's going to be. This one was not as big as the other pennies, but this one still did a 36% move. And if you got in right here, which was a mistake, then yes, it was it just wrecked us. But the more I'm researching this strategy, the more I learn it, that's what is part of trading. And then I use that fundamentals and then the analysis. I'm like, holy crap, UPC is getting to that level. We have nice little volume. The sellers are kind of dying out. The candles are smaller. I would love to see just one more red day, and this will be a nice setup. The K value, the KDGA down below is 5.29. That is extremely oversold. I have seen lower, so I would like to see that. But I'm sure a lot of people got in on this big candle here, or even on this candle, or even on this and this one, and it goes here. So 6 daily candle roll is a very, I don't know why. It's just a weird freaking analysis, and why I like it. And we could probably see a massive move coming up. So what is our first target? Well, that's going to be your EMA 5. This is your purple band. That is your first target. I would not hold it longer than that because I can't see it hitting the 10 and 20 anytime soon. When you don't hit the EMA 5 in 7 daily candles, it's long. So that's why this little method works really well, because when you hug this lower band, it is extremely bullish, and it gives you the most oversold patterns. I do this kind of pattern in my day trading strategy. I make massive money doing short-term options, looking for patterns just like this, but on lower time frames. But when you see the daily doing this, it's one of the biggest time frames, and it's the only time frame I'll use for swing trading. And this is very interesting. So keep this one on watch. This is probably going to be my highest value trade here very soon. If we get one more red candle, I hope it don't do what VTLE does. VTLE, you know, it kind of did the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the 6, it kind of was lifting off here. Then it went back down, but hopefully it does something like, you know, we get one big red candle on UPC. So yeah, definitely keep this one on work, guys. I think this is a very good solid thing here. We could check the weekly. I don't think it really matters, but yeah. So for the daily, what our first target, and then if I look at how big the room up is from here, you're looking at 100. That's awesome. 100% move from here. I mean, can it do 100%? Absolutely. But you gotta realize the EMA5 is gonna fluctuate. As you can see, it's going down and down and down as price goes. So let's just say 50%. It will probably meet up here. But anyways, it's just nice to see that you have massive upside, lower downside. The big candles are dying out. You have smaller candles. You're still under the band. You're still fluctuating it. I think this is a very solid move. We were at $3 and now we're sitting at 32 cents in the last week. So has this thing have ever done this type of move before? Looking at it, yes, we got near the upper band before. We've made massive moves and we made massive dumps, just like every penny stock has usually done. And you know, look at the moves this thing can do: $3 to $12. It can get going. Have we ever been this extremely oversold? No. Even on this little pattern here, we touched the ATR4 3 times and then we went up. It doesn't have to do 6. So if we get that 6 magic number, I think it's just very bullish, because at the very least, guys, we are due for that EMA5. So do keep that in mind. And that has a big, massive room up. So yeah, UPC, I really like. This is probably my best penny stock that I'm looking at right now. I have another one I'm looking at, but this is getting up there due to the big moves we've had down. So I think a nice dead cat bounce will happen here. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, this is the chance to do it, guys. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. As you can see, if you have an Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer, or just use Google or Safari, as they're having issues with Android. Avoid scammers. I will never trade your accounts or message you or DM you first. Keep that in mind. I will never do that for you guys. A lot of people will try to say, hey, and they use my logo and say, hey, I'll trade your account and make you a millionaire and all that and make you rich. That's not going to happen. Hit the service shop in the top left if you want to be a member. All my payments are processed safely with Discord. It's all traceable. For $12 a month, you get access to all my services. It's the cheapest one. It's the best service. And like I said before, guys, what I showed you is a swing trading strategy. You got to check out the day trading strategy. The day trading strategy is where I make the most money. It's where I make money every day. Swing trading, sometimes you hold for a day. Sometimes you hold for a week or a month. It just really depends on what I'm looking for. It depends on, you know, the EMA5. Sometimes this EMA5 I've seen can take 15 candles, 15 daily candles before it hits it. Even though 7 daily candles is rare, sometimes it can take longer than that. So do keep that in mind. But $12 a month, I really think you guys are going to really like the service. If anything, you're going to learn a ton of knowledge. You're going to learn from all my mistakes, and then constant improvement, and just simple stuff like this of what I've updated. Like, I've noticed this pattern just based on trading lots of stocks. I've noticed a weird pattern that works. That's the 6 daily candle hugging the lower band, and you just don't just get in on this first touch here, and that's why it's best just give it some time distance away from that EMA5. And I describe all the time distance in a whole new video of what you need to learn and what's long, normal, and all that. So if you do decide to join, there is a video in swing trading education. It's going to be this how to use indicators properly. These 3 indicators that will make you very profitable. So if you hit the service shop in the top left, or it's $11.99 for the day in swing trading plus. Do subscribe on your computer. If you do it on your phone, it would be a little more expensive if you do it through the app, or you can just do it through your browser. And then all these channels will unlock. You're going to get my day trading education, swing trading education, swing trade alerts, day trade alerts, and then day trade chat. And the most important is actually probably the live stream. You're going to get to see me go live every day, pretty much market hours, going over exact setups, any questions, and the day trades in real time, which is the most important. So you could click the link down below in the YouTube description if you just kind of want to check my live stream. Hit the follow button. You'll see me go live and get alerted. But yeah, this is UPC. Definitely don't sleep on this one, guys. I think this is a very good pattern, and I think this could be a big explosive move. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, share this video to your friends. Would love to have you guys. If you guys, if you guys bought way up here, join the community. We have a lot of people that look for bottom reversals. I only take swing trades that are extremely oversold, extremely undervalued, and that meet this system. There's nothing to worry about. I only look at what does the system tell me. Where's my price targets? Am I following the time distance? Are we at the lower band? And period. That's all there is to it. And just keep trading. Keep trading simple, stupid, and you'll be fine. All right, guys. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you guys in the Discord, and let's make some money.